Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I just came out of CVS. I didn't plan on doing any filming or anything, but when I was in CVS, I was buying some lotion and I checked my Ibotta rebates. I see that we got an Ibotta rebate for Dove hand wash. So I said, well, let me see what I can put together. So go through your CRTs. I had a $3 off 2 Dove CRT that I had already clipped. If you don't have this CRT, it's okay because it's still going to be a fabulous deal for you. If you have the CRT, then it will be a moneymaker for you. Or you might have a $3 off Dove CRT. Just scan the hand washes and see if you have any CRTs that will attach to them. Now, you can either get the one that's shaped like this or the one that's shaped like this. It doesn't matter what scent because I checked them all. So what I did, I just grabbed I grabbed 2 different scents for you in 2 different shapes, just so that you would know that they all worked. Now let's start off with the deal. So they are regularly $4.39, but this week they're buy one get one half off. So if I were you, I would do this deal today because I have no clue what they're going to be starting tomorrow. So today I know they're buy one get one half off. So the first one you would pay $4.39 for, and the second one you're going to pay half off, like $2 and say like 20 cents. So then if you have the $3 off 2 Dove hand washes or whatever CRTs, you can use those. But then you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch, because Fetch also has a rebate where you get 50% back. So do not use any extra bucks if you plan on submitting your receipt to Fetch. If you submit your receipt to Fetch and you use extra bucks, Fetch is only going to give you the value of what is on your receipt, what you paid for them after your extra bucks and coupons. So don't use any extra bucks. I didn't use any extra bucks. I'll show you my receipt. So Fetch is going to give you 50% back of what you paid. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and Ibotta is going to give you $1.50 for each one. So let me show you how it works. Now, this is if you have the CRT. So here's my receipt. You see I paid full price for the first one, half price for the second one. There's my $3 off CRT. I paid $3.48 out of pocket. I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back $1.77, which is half of $3.48, plus a couple of cents for the other things. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $3 back from Ibotta. So guys, that made this a $1.29 money maker. Free Dove hand wash. Now, let me tell you the scenario if you do not have a CRT, because like I said, it's still a good deal if you don't have any CRTs. You're still going to get 2. Buy one, get one half off. So your total should be $6.48. You're going to submit your receipt to Fetch, and Fetch is going to give you $3.24 back. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta is going to give you $3 back. So that's going to be $6.24 off of your total. So then remember, you paid $6.48. So then that's going to be 24 cents for 2 Dove hand washes. Still a great deal, right? Because that's like 12 cents for each of them. And these are regularly $4.39. Excellent, excellent deal, guys. So go through your CRTs. See if you have any Dove CRTs, any just plain Dove CRTs or Dove hand wash CRTs. And if you're not sure, just go in the store and just scan the Dove hand wash and see if anything attaches. And remember, do not pay with extra bucks. Because if you pay with extra bucks, that's going to reduce your total, and that's less that you're going to get back from Fetch. But you will still get the $1.50 back from Ibotta if you pay with extra bucks. But if I were you, if you want to maximize this deal, do not pay with extra bucks. So guys, come back. Let me know how you made out. Let me know what CRTs you had. Let me know what scents you got. Like this video, share it with your friends, your family. If you haven't downloaded Fetch or you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. I will put the links in the description box as well as in the comments. All you have to do is click on the link and go ahead and set your account up. And guys, if this is your first time using Ibotta, the deal gets even better for you, because when you redeem your first rebate, they're going to give you $10 plus the amount of your rebates. So if this is your first time and you do this deal, you're going to get a total of $13 back from Ibotta. And then you can have your Ibotta money deposited into your checking account. You can put it over into your PayPal, and that's what I do. And I just recycle my couponing money over and over again. Plus, with PayPal, if you use your PayPal money to buy something, you get another 2% back. Or you can use your Ibotta money to buy gift cards and then pay for your couponing through gift cards or give them out as gifts, however you want to do. But you want to make sure that you're maximizing your savings and that you're recycling your coupon money over and over and over again. If this is your first time using Fetch, you're going to get 2,000 points when you redeem your first Fetch rebate. And with Fetch, you use those points to buy gift cards so that you can shop and pay for your stuff with the gift card. So guys, it's like I use the same money over and over and over and over and over again when I coupon. So guys, thank you very much for being so loyal to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I thank you for sharing my channel with your friends and with your family. And if you're ever out in the store and you see me recording, say hi. I like to meet my loyal subscribers. And until the next time, keep on saving.